Have you ever contemplated how a seemingly invisible force could have the power to alter life as we know it? This force, known as radioactive pollution, poses a significant threat to our planet. But what exactly causes it, and what are its effects? Radioactive pollution, also known as radiological contamination, occurs when radioactive materials are released into the environment. These materials stem from various sources, including nuclear power plants, medical waste, and even certain natural processes. For instance, nuclear power plants, while providing a significant portion of the world's electricity, also produce nuclear waste. This waste, if not properly managed, can leak into the surrounding environment, causing radioactive pollution. Similarly, medical facilities often use radioactive materials for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. If not correctly disposed of, these materials can also contribute to radioactive pollution. But it's not just man-made sources that are the problem. Certain natural processes, such as the decay of radioactive elements present in the Earth's crust, can also release radioactive materials into the environment. This natural radioactivity is typically low and poses little risk, but in certain circumstances, it can contribute to radioactive pollution. So what are the effects of radioactive pollution? Well, they are far-reaching and potentially devastating. Radioactive materials, once released into the environment, can contaminate air, water, and soil. This contamination can have serious health impacts on humans and other living organisms. Exposure to radioactive pollution can lead to a variety of health problems, ranging from skin burns and acute radiation sickness to long-term issues like cancer and genetic damage. Moreover, radioactive materials can persist in the environment for thousands of years, meaning the effects of radioactive pollution can last for generations. In addition to its health impacts, radioactive pollution also has environmental consequences. It can disrupt ecosystems, damage wildlife populations, and even cause physical changes to the landscape. So, to sum up, radioactive pollution is a significant issue that results from both man-made and natural sources. Its effects are far-reaching, affecting not just human health but also the environment. It's a complex problem, but by understanding its causes and effects, we can work towards solutions. In order to protect our planet and ourselves, we need to be mindful of how we handle radioactive materials and strive to minimize our contribution to radioactive pollution. It's not an easy task, but with knowledge, awareness, and action, we can make a difference. After all, our planet is our home, and it's our responsibility to keep it safe and healthy for future generations. So, let's continue to educate ourselves and others about the dangers of radioactive pollution and work towards a safer,